Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add lines and arrows in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic skill for creating diagrams, presentations, or any design where you need to direct attention or show connections between elements. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Adobe Express account. After you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your creative options are available. Now, click on Start New Design to begin a fresh project. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This gives you full control over the dimensions of your canvas, which is perfect when you're working on specific design requirements. Once you've set your desired size, click Create New File to open your blank canvas. With your canvas ready, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, click on the plus icon to access additional design elements. From the menu that appears, select Elements. This is where Adobe Express houses all the visual components you can add to your design, from shapes to icons and more. Next, navigate to the top toolbar and click on the greater than icon. This will expand more categories for you to explore. Look for shapes in the expanded menu and click on it. This section contains a variety of geometric shapes and design elements that can enhance your project. Now, scroll down through the shapes options until you find lines and arrows. This is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Click on View All beside it to see the complete collection of lines and arrows available in Adobe Express. Browse through the selection and choose your preferred line style. Once you've found the one you want, click on it to add it to your canvas. The line will appear on your design, and you can now customize it to fit your needs. In the left panel, you'll see various customization options. Navigate to Border Style and select your preferred style from the available options. This allows you to choose between solid, dashed, or dotted lines, depending on your design aesthetic. After selecting your border style, move to border thickness. Use the slider here to adjust the thickness of your line. Dragging it to the right will make your line thicker, while moving it left will make it thinner. Take your time to find the perfect balance for your design. Now, if you want to add an arrow, simply click the plus icon again in the left panel, then select Elements. Navigate back to the top toolbar and click the greater than icon once more. Look for Shapes and click on it to access the Shapes menu again. Scroll down until you find Lines and Arrows and click View All beside it. This time, select your preferred arrow style from the collection. Click on the arrow you've selected to add it to your canvas. Just like with the line, head to the left panel and navigate to Border Style. Select your preferred border style for the arrow to match your design vision. Then, move to Border Thickness and use the slider to adjust the arrow's thickness to your liking. And there you have it, you've successfully added customized lines and arrows to your Adobe Express design. These elements are perfect for creating flowcharts, pointing out important information, or simply adding visual interest to your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.